Welcome. In today's video, we will be going through maximizing earnings of running a Helium mobile hotspot, changes that will affect your earnings, and whether it is still worth deploying a hotspot based on your personal location. Helium has rolled out two features to the planner map. We will go through each one step by step as it does affect earnings. First of all, you will require to access the Helium planner tool. On the main dashboard, the first feature to explore is the Footfall. This is because the Footfall tab is considered as the most important feature for maximizing earnings and takes priority over other features, which I will explain. On the main dashboard, select the Footfall tab, and if we zoom in closer to Coronado San Diego, there are three areas to evaluate. 1. Which have darker red hexes. These are considered as footfall traffic areas which have received visitors. Number 2. Transparent light red hexes. These are footfall traffic areas but have not received any visitors. Number 3. Areas with no hexes are considered as non-footfall traffic areas. So what defines these three different areas is the data gathered by Veriset and Safegraph, where Helium acquire the footfall traffic information and integrate it into their Helium planner tool. As you can see on the original map, the areas which have no visitors are the transparent red hexes on the Helium planner map. The areas which receive visitors are the darker red hexes on the Helium planner map. So what does this mean in terms of earnings? We can figure this out with feature number 2, the Urbanization tab. If you select the Urbanization tab, all areas highlighted in green and dark red hexes will be rewarded the maximum rewards. If you are placing a hotspot in a dark red hex and not in an urban area, you will also receive maximum rewards. If you are in a lighter red hex and in an urban area, you will receive 3/4 of the rewards. And if you are in a lighter red hex and a non-urban area, you will receive 50% of the rewards. The final part to understand is if you are in a non-red hex, such as the Naval Base Coronado, and also at the same time in an urban area, you will receive 40% of the rewards. And if you are in a non-red hex and not in an urban area, you will only receive 10% of the rewards. Currently, this is the reward structure for Helium mobile hotspots. However, there are two super important factors to also consider for the near future. Number 1, updated footfall. The data provided by third parties is updated every 3 months. This means that the dark red and the light red hexes can be subject to change based on the amount of visitors in that area. This of course is a downfall, as it is not in our control to keep on moving our hotspots. However, if your hotspot is covering regions in high traffic areas such as restaurants, coffee shops, wellness studios and more, it is almost guaranteed to be in a dark red hex. So do take this into consideration on where you aim to position and point your outdoor hotspots or antenna. For indoor hotspots, unfortunately there is not much potential to send out a signal, unless you are already placed within a high traffic region, as the indoor hotspot only covers one hex. The second factor is land type. Once the land type is implemented, which is in around 30 days, the reward structure will slightly vary, prioritizing footfall first, land type second, and urban third. I will cover a video once it has been implemented and what it means in terms of rewards. So hopefully this video provided you with the information you need on the basics on why the rewards will be decreasing and what you can do to your ability to be in the top tier of rewards. Thank you once again for watching. Stay subscribed, and yet again this was information to help you along your Helium mobile journey and not investment advice. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.